Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss how to install Autodesk Students product. So log into Autodesk Student Access through Google, and once you enter here you need to create a profile. So use your Gmail ID or any respective email IDs to create your account. So just sign in and create your account over here. So once you are ready with your account, just click on your students under get educational access. Over here you need to fill your details. So complete profile is required. So fill your name, your last name, first name, and your date of birth, and also we need to fill our school address, everything. So let us do that part over here. Go here to educational institution details. So select India and complete your address details. So you can fill your college university details over here. So let's do that. Okay, so these are the things which you need to fill here: address, city or postal code or pin code, and institution type, that is your higher studies or university or college. The name of educational institution to be done, and website link. So what is your university website link? You need to copy and paste it over here. And enrollment information is nothing but that is similar to your pass out year. So which year you are going to pass out. So you can select some month and year. So suppose you are passing out in the month of May 2026, you can click May and go ahead with 2026. Okay, so fill all these required details over here. So if it is a 4 years duration, you can calculate the year. If you are doing master degree 2 years, so accordingly 2 years you can give your graduation date over here. Okay, so once you are done with all these details, kindly cross check the details are filled. So whatever the details are missing, you need to do it, or else you can't go for further confirmation. So this get you 1 year educational access. Okay, so over here we have not filled with the website of the university. So kindly copy then paste your link of your website of your university address. Okay, once you're done, you can see there is a confirmation. So proceed with confirm. Click on confirm button and go ahead for the next step. Okay, done. Right, so click on confirm and you can go ahead. So once you're done with the confirm button, you will be getting a message that confirmation eligibility is using your education institution's credential. So you need to check your website. So here you can also go with Sheer ID. So Sheer ID is nothing but additional requirement for students. So you can create an ID through Sheer ID also. For that also you can fully proceed with your Microsoft account. So you can use this if required. So alternatively, you can also see that you will be getting a message that upload document. Click on upload documents. Over here we need few things like a school transcript or a school issued confirmation letter or college ID card. So better to go with college ID card and your mark sheet if any so. So you can scan your ID card in proper format, a JPG or a PDF format. Upload it very clearly. It should be readable. So don't take any picture like a glare or any kind of thing. So click your photo properly, upload it here. You can merge the document if you have mark sheets also, and you can have ID card, you can go ahead with that. Okay, so once you're done with this, you will be getting a message that thank you, your verification is under process. So just check your Gmail or some particular email ID. You will be getting a confirmation message from Autodesk. So once it is done, you can use your product to install. So once you receive that, you can go and log in again, and you can see that validity of your license at what year it can be ended. So now you can log in again. Just log out and log in again to the Autodesk website, and you can select what are the product you want to install. You just go for Autodesk AutoCAD and you can select the version. And one more notable thing is here, once you are selected with the versions, install and download, two options are there. Install is nothing but directly once the process is done, it allowed to install. And make sure your pop-up should be allowed, so that multiple files will be downloading. So make sure you select on pop-up allow, so that the required files will be downloaded here. So these are the options. So you can download your account so to use your student access. And once you are done with this, you can go for sign out. And then you can see in your folder, respective folders, the setup file is ready, and you can unzip this folder and you can click on the setup button to install it. Thank you for watching.